Good afternoon, Kristen. One man is facing charges after massive Tannerite explosion earlier this month in Bristol. Police said an adult man was arrested on Thursday. He faces several charges related to the case. On October 7th, residents in Bristol and several surrounding communities reported hearing loud explosion on private property on Morrison Road. 50 pounds of Tannerite was used in the first blast, while 100 pounds of Tannerite was used in the second blast, officials said. Tannerite can be used for target practice. Police did not release the name of the man who was arrested. Charges may be filed against others, police said. Reporting live here outside the Bristol Police Department, I'm Riley King for WMUR News 9. Kristen, back over to you.